Imagine this. Sitting in a high-stakes board meeting, you have a brilliant idea, the kind that could save your company millions. But as you open your mouth to speak, your heart starts racing, your palms get sweaty, you start mentally translating your thoughts, worrying about your grammar, your accent, and whether you'll sound professional. By the time you rehearsed the perfect sentence, the conversation has moved on. Your idea remains unsaid and someone else gets the credit. Today, we diving into the psychology of the invisible barrier and giving you the power moves you need to dominate every meeting. Most people think it's just about vocabulary. If I just knew more words. But research shows it's actually psychological. Foreign language anxiety. Your brain is in overdrive, monitoring for errors in real time. This creates cognitive load. It's like running a marathon while doing math. Different cultures also have different turn-taking rules. If you wait for a polite opening, you might wait forever. Power move 1, the 3-second rule. Don't wait for a gap. Create one within the first 3 seconds. Use anchor phrases, short, automatic verbal placeholders. Once you say them, the room stops to listen. You claimed the floor, and now you have time to think. Power move 2, the prep method. High-energy meetings are like competitive sports. You need to warm up. Step 1. Identify your power words, technical terms related to the topic. Say them out loud before the meeting to prime your vocal cords. Step 2. Script your on-ramp, just the first 2 sentences. This gives you the momentum to keep going. Step 3. The 5-minute chat. Arrive early. Small talk greases the wheels of your English brain. Power move 3. Strategic clarification. Instead of staying silent when you're lost, turn confusion into leadership. Ask if we're on the same page. This makes you look meticulous. The mindset shift from perfect to effective. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Successful CEOs have accents. They focus on value, not vowels. Your accent is a sign of intelligence. It means you speak 2 languages. In a global economy, global communication is the key. You have earned your seat at the table. Don't stay silent. Hit subscribe and ring the bell for more from Fluent Desk. Let's recap the 3-second rule. It is about psychological dominance. If you don't speak in the first 30 minutes, your brain labels you a passive listener. Once that label is applied, it's 10 times harder to speak up later. That's why the 3-second rule is a state breaker. It breaks the silence early. Now let us look closer at anchor phrases. Why do they work? They work because they use prefabricated speech. Your brain doesn't have to build the sentence from scratch. It is ready-made. This reduces the cognitive load we talked about earlier. Moving to the prep method. Step 1. Power words. Why 5 to 10 words? Because that says the limit of our working memory under stress. By priming these words, you bypass the tip of the tongue effect. Step 2. The on-ramp. Most people try to script everything. That's a trap. If you forget one word, the whole speech collapses. But with an on-ramp, you only need to get started. The rest flows. Step 3. Small talk. It's not about the weather. It's about social safety. When your brain feels safe, it opens up the language centers. Now let us talk about strategic clarification. This is a secret weapon. Native speakers use this all the time to buy themselves thinking time. By doing the same, you're not struggling, you're collaborating. It is a powerful shift in perception. You become the guide. The mindset shift is the final piece of the puzzle. We often think people are judging our grammar. Usually, they're just waiting for the value. In a boardroom, nobody cares about an ing ending if you have the solution to their problem. Remember, your accent is your edge. It tells the world you have a broader perspective. You see things they don't. That diversity of thought is worth more than any grammar book. So, let us wrap up with your 24-hour challenge. In your next meeting, use just one anchor phrase. Don't worry about the outcome. Just focus on the act of claiming your space. Each time you do it, the barrier gets thinner until eventually it's gone. And you are the leader you were meant to be. You have the ideas, you have the expertise. Now you have the strategy, use it. Subscribe to Fluent Desk. Information is power. See you in the next one.